Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you another easy to follow recipe using your backyard smoker. In this video, I'll take you through the steps of smoking brisket queso. This liquid gold is easy to make and will leave them asking for more. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to stay in the know. For this brisket queso recipe, you will need the following: 1 disposable pan, 1 small can of cream of mushroom, 2 fresh jalapeños chopped, 1 to 2 serrano peppers depending on how spicy you want it, 1/3 of a white onion chopped, 2 small tomatoes chopped, 1 bushel of cilantro chopped, 1 to 1.5 pounds of chopped brisket, 1 pound of cubed Colby and Monterey Jack cheese, and 1 pound of cubed Monterey Jack. Now these cheeses are interchangeable. Choose a cheese combination that you like best. And finally, 1 pint of heavy cream. Preheat your smoker to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using the Thermoworks fire management system to keep my smoker dialed in. It combines a Signal Series thermometer and the Billows fan to take the guesswork out of fire management. If you're interested in learning more, check out my other videos. I use this setup quite regularly. Get your hands on your very own fire management system by clicking the links in the description of this video. Ordering through these affiliate links helps support my channel. I'm also an affiliate with companies like Thermoworks, Amazon, and Walmart. Once your smoker is up to temp, set your brisket queso on the grates and close it up. You'll need to be checking on it every 30 minutes or so to see how your cheese is melting. Depending on the cheese you go with, this takes a little less or a little more. After about 30 minutes, it's time to start stirring things up. Give it a good stir and close your door again. Repeat this step until you get the consistency in your brisket queso you're looking for. For this cheese combination, it took 1.5 hours at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring it at the 30-minute mark and at the 1 hour mark. Once you get the consistency you're looking for, take it out and give it one last good stir before enjoying your brisket queso. All you need now is some thick tortilla chips and a couple of friends to share it with. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.